Ohtani, center field. They're going with the all grays. Aller. The A's will have Seth Brown in left, Ramon Laurie. And that misses badly, and it's a leadoff walk. Out in 2 appearances and came in as a pinch hitter in the 8th. Foul territory. Bethancourt is right there. And the number's pretty good after his 3 starts at the big league level. His 3 starts came against.
Yeah, I was looking.
Ohtani swings and misses. Ohtani rolls it right to Smith, and he turned the double play. Kevin Smith scooped it up right near the bag, stepped on second, and got the lineup for the Athletics as they come to bat here in the bottom of the 1st. Here's the defense for the Angels. It's brought to you by GMC. Wade Trout, Angels signed him as a free agent and said, yeah, we want you in our rotation. Kemp hits one right over the bag at first and down the right field line. Ward picks it up, gets it back in quickly, and Tony Kemp has a leadoff double here in the bottom of the 1st. 3-2 pitch, bounce to the right side and into right field, a base hit. Here comes Kemp, they're going to hold him. And the throw comes through on one hop to Wallach. So Noisy bounces one into second. Fielded by Renhefo. He tags and then throws to first. And that's a double play. Run does come in to score. That's Rendon scoops it up. Side. And it's outside. He walked him so long at bat. 11 pitch at bat. Walsh with a smash past the diving Bethancourt. Rendon round second. He's going to go for third. He's going to stop there. Walsh is going to be into second with a double. And that hit Renhefo, and he's in pain. And holding his right elbow.
Well, if you're Renhefo and the Angels, what you hope didn't happen is that
3-2 pitch, not close. So Wallach's walk will get him an RBI. Strike 3 called right there on the inside corner. Tyler Wade just could not get a swing off. Actually, it looked like a pretty good pitch to hit. Pulling toward Bethancourt. He's going to juggle, but he'll still have time to come home and get the force out there.
Well, I love the adjustment there by Bethancourt and the cop.
It's hit well. Laureano turns around and he's going to watch it go. Went toward Bethancourt, and that would be the high home camera right next to us.
Think about a guy throwing a sinker.
Renhefo with the shift on, playing right behind.
They got a sweet lid today. Foul ball smells like a baby.
Plenty of room out there as he stops, waits, and that's a nasty pitch right there. So
Hands on him, folks.
That's all him something holding on. I don't know what it is. I think you're glued to that just so you don't fall off. There's Ohtani. Gonna be a tough play. Quickly done and nicely done. That's Sheldon Noisy with the shift on. Had to play the shortstop spot.
And a wise decision by Mr. Aller.
Brown got it in the second. Another ball hard, but Kemp's out there, shallow right field, scoops, throw.
Everybody in the ballpark knows what just happened.
And Barrera shoots one past Rendon. You know what George Hendrick was traded for, don't you?
Oh, I forget.
Rick. Velasquez has it. In return, Noisy hoping to get a chance to hit. And that pitch not close. We can go back to 1950. And he got him swinging. 5-1. Yeah. This is strike. It's a light shot by Chad Wallach for a hit. So Wallach, after a bases loaded walk in the second, he's got a base hit. No. Drives one toward right, but Baruch. The air. That's Seth Brown. A little work to do for the A's, but time to do it. As they're facing Michael Lorenz. Base hit. Lowry beats the shift. Right to third. Rendon has it. Out at second. And that's a double play. Another double play for the Angels. Remember, they turned 4 in game 1. They had 1 this play.
Yeah, excited to get a look at the Mariners. Take a look.
That one was smoked toward left center field. Scoots all the way to the wall, and Ward has a double.
Now batting, number 2.
88th percentile. Well, it's.
And Trout takes, and it's 3-1.
Yeah.
And that one is drilled toward the corner. Brown's got to hustle all the way over there. He was shaded into left center a little bit. Ward's going to score. Trout has his first hit in the series, and it's an RBI double to make it 6-1.
Now batting, number 16, Shohei
Ohtani, center field, hit a ton.